Ya swala zima la gharama ya maisha Trevor, tunazungumzia maisha yetu kwa sababu hapa tutaweza kujua ukweli uko wapi, na itasaidia sana kujua mbivu na mbichi, ndio kesho tusipate wananchi kuweza kulalamika na masuala ya gharama ya maisha. Tumeweza kusikia upande wa serikali ukieleza kwamba wapo wakulima ambao wanacheka hivi sasa kwa sababu wakiangalia mashamba yao wakitarajia mavuno na kwamba watakuwa na maisha mazuri zaidi. Nitakuuliza Samuel Karanja kwa sababu unawakilisha wale wafanyabiashara wadogo. Uhalisia wa wafanyabiashara hao ikija katika swala zima la gharama ya maisha ukoje? Ni ukweli kwamba tuna nafuu ama hali ni ngumu?
Asante Rashid. Let me say that it's very unfortunate. Many times we rate the political narratives with the economic narratives. The biggest problem that you're having is we believed what the politicians told us. The reality on the ground for micro, small, medium enterprises is a dire situation. And the reason why it's a dire situation, because that is the narrative that the government rode on to get to power. And so ukiangalia kama ni Mama Mboga, ukiangalia kama ni mtu wa bodaboda, kuna mambo ambayo serikali iliwaahidia itawafanyia, but it is not so. Let me give an example. When you look at the bodaboda sector, kuna mambo ambayo waliambiwa. They were told, first and foremost, they are going to get designated areas of operation. Secondly, they were also told, as you get the designated areas of operation, you're also not going to be paying taxes. The minimum taxes you're going to be paying to the county government will cushion you to do business. When you look at what the governor of Nairobi proposed in their finance bill, they are proposing to hike, for them to operate within the CBD, yeah, to go up. When you look at the Mama Mboga, they were told they are going to get designated areas of operation, markets and everything else. These people are organized groups. And the organized groups, they are supposed to be given government subsidies. Where are the government subsidies? We have demonized that subsidy as a matter of principle. A subsidy is the government looking at what their citizenry are going through, then coming up with innovative ways of cushioning them. But if the former regime, yeah, became corrupt with the subsidies, this regime must make the subsidies right so that they can cushion the SMEs. Okay. Lastly but not least, yeah, taxation. We are highly taxed. When you look at the government, they came and said, yeah, that you are going to lower taxes. Look at the import duty. It has gone up with 10%, from 25 to 35%. So importations are very expensive. We are a highly consuming nation. We are not in the production sector. So when you look at that, the government is making sure that wanafinya watu wale wanaleta bidhaa kutoka nje, na pia wale wanataka kuanzisha the productions in the country, pia wanafinywa kwa sababu ya gharama ya electricity. It's a very unfortunate situation.
Okay, let me bring in Martin Jomba and on this.